In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80070035. The network path was not found. Go here, type in services, and find TCP/IP. So it should be all the way down here, where it starts with the T's. So here it is. So click on it and then choose automatic, click apply, and then click start and click apply and OK. If it's already started, you want to restart it. Just click restart and let it restart. Now see if this fixes your issue. Try restarting your computer and see if this fixes the issue. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, go here, type in control panel and go to network and internet, network and sharing center, and find your internet. And under connections, you want to click whatever here it says under connections, and here you want to go to properties, and here you want to go down until you find internet protocol version TCP. Click on it, properties, and here you want to go and click on advanced, and then you want to click on wins, and down here you want to choose enable net BIOS over TCP/IP, click OK, and then click OK, and then click OK, and just close this down. Now if you're still having issues, then I recommend going here to Windows Update and check for updates. If there's any, make sure you are on the latest update, because sometimes this fixes the issues. If you're still having issues, then go here and type in registry editor. Here you want to go to the local machine. Inside local machine, go to software. Inside of software, go to Microsoft. So it should be over here, Microsoft, in the M section. Click on Microsoft. So inside Microsoft, find MS licensing, and this is the one, MS licensing. So what you're gonna do here is simply delete these two folders. Right click, delete, right click and delete. After that, it's very important to restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now lastly, I would like to show you the last thing you can try. Type in cmd run as administrator, type in sfc /scan now, and press enter. This will scan through any errors in your computer. So once it's done, close it down, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue is fixed.